Understanding the phrase, search one's soul. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we will explore the intriguing phrase, search one's soul. Understanding such idiomatic expressions can add depth to your English communication, allowing you to express complex emotions and thoughts more effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of search one's soul. Search one's soul is an idiomatic expression that implies a deep and introspective journey into one's innermost thoughts and feelings. When someone decides to search their soul, they are looking for answers or truths within themselves, often in the context of a moral dilemma or a significant life decision. This phrase is often used when someone faces a difficult decision and needs to consult their conscience or deepest values to find the right path. It suggests a period of reflection, where one examines their motives, desires, and principles. For instance, before making his final decision, he took a night to search his soul and understand what he truly wanted. After the scandal, the politician claimed she would search her soul to understand her mistakes and learn from them. To help you grasp the phrase's use in context, here are some examples of how it might appear in everyday conversation. I need to search my soul before I can give you my answer. This decision could change everything. She spent the weekend alone, searching her soul for the courage to face the challenges ahead. While search one's soul is a meaningful expression, it's important to use it in the right context. It's most appropriate in serious or contemplative situations and might seem out of place in casual or light-hearted conversations. Remember, understanding the nuance of idiomatic expressions can greatly enhance your language skills and help you communicate more effectively. That's all for today's session on the phrase, search one's soul. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of this introspective expression and how it can be used to express deep reflection and inner turmoil. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase or expression you learn opens up a new dimension of communication. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to search your own soul as you continue your language learning adventure.